Place the speed sensor into the motor housing. Mount the rotor inside the stator. Place the stator inside the motor housing. Add the oil filter to the gear housing. Add the oil pump to the gear housing. Mount the large gear to the gear housing. Mount the small gear to the gear housing. Put the gear case on the gear housing. Attach the bearing plate to the gear case. Place the board on the inverter housing. Add the inverter cooler manifold on the inverter housing. Add the high voltage connector on the inverter housing. Install the high voltage cable to the high voltage connector. Attach the inverter to the gear case. Add the front left motor mount to the gear case. Add the left motor housing to the right motor housing.